Hello everyone. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today in kids class, we are going to learn how to draw a teddy bear and birds sitting in the jungle. So let's start. Eyelids, eyes, nose and mouth. Now here comes the body. One hand is coming from the back, which can be shown like this. This is going to be 1 foot. And our bear is ready. Now, this bear had 2-3 friends. 2 birds were its close friends. So let's draw a bird. Then there was another bird who was flying. Then there were some flowers blooming around the teddy bear. Now I'm going to tell you how to paint it. So I'm going to use lots of colors because I know my children love everything very colorful. It may come as a surprise, but the teddy bear was actually named after the 26th US President Roosevelt. The story goes like this. In 1902, President Roosevelt participated in a bear hunting trip in Mississippi and he refused to kill a bear that other hunters captured, declaring that the action was not good. The incident generated national attention and was featured in political cartoons starring Teddy, which the former US president was commonly known as, and the bear, inspired by the cartoon. A shopkeeper in New York named Morris and his wife Rose made a stuffed fabric bear and displayed it at their shop window with the sign Teddy's Bear. Much to their surprise, the bear gained popularity overnight. After receiving permission from President Roosevelt to name their creation after him, they went on to start a company that manufactured teddy bears. The teddy bears became such a major hit that ladies and children carried the bears in public. President Roosevelt even used the teddy bear as his mascot when he ran for re-election in 1905. At around the same time as the development was going on in America, another version of the teddy was born. A German plush doll manufacturing company created their first bear doll in 1902. Modeled after a sketch of a bear in the zoo. Sheriff's teddy bear gained popularity quickly and helped to drive the teddy bear craze internationally. More than a century later, Stiff continues to make classic teddy bear that are highly sought after by collectors at great prices during auctions. The German company's owner's name was spelled as Steiff. Despite its long history, the teddy bear remains very much popular and relevant to our lives today. Recently, teddy bears have been appearing in windows around the world in the teddy bear hunts for children. These exciting social distancing safe scavenger hunts inspired by 1989 children's book We Are Going on a Bear Hunt have been keeping children entertained during the coronavirus lockdowns. And the term teddy bear first appeared in Oxford English Dictionary in 1906. The world's first teddy bear museum was set up in Hampshire, England in 1984. If you want, you can give little shading also. Next is leaves. So I'm going to use sap green. This is sap green. Children, if your paint is very dry or very thick, please mix some water in it. My paint was very dry and it was too thick. Because we are painting on paper, so we cannot have very watery paint. But yes, we can have little thin paint. This consistency. Now are birds. So we have two birds. This is purple color. Every time wash your brush and wipe it with a cloth. Now I'm going to fill baby pink color in the bird. This is baby pink. Light pink color in the face of the bird. Now let's make the beak of the bird. So I'm going to make pink color beak. Now we'll start with black color. You know what all we have to make with black color? We have to make the outline of the bird, outline of teddy. You know, children, what happened? One spring evening, an old bear finds a young bird. She was still trying to fly, but she was falling to the ground again and again. When the bear lifts the bird to safety, a friendship began. These two birds and this one became good friends. Bear and bird soon became constant companions. Wherever bear was going, birds were also going with him. Spending their days together, searching out berries and watching out for one another. They are only separated during the winter months. You know why? Because in winter, bear hibernate and bird flies south. As the years pass, their friendship grows stronger. Then one spring day, when bird returned from his winter trip, bear is not there to greet him. Days and then weeks pass and still they couldn't find the bear. When birds finally learn why his dear friend is absent, memories of their time together bring comfort and acceptance. In this tale of an unlikely but loving friendship, the cycle of life, including its joys, happiness, and its sorrow, is gently explored. So with this, our painting is complete. I hope you liked the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.